Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to disable the fast charging in your brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. At first we need to open settings, and here now we have to scroll down till we see the battery. Tap that and scroll down till you see charging settings. Tap that too. Here as I can see we have two options: fast charging, and to disable that just tap this option to make it gray, and fast wireless charging, do the same with that. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like on this video, it's important to us. And as I said, that's it, hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye!